Hello, Jodi here from Joli Natural Skincare, and today I wanted to make a hair tonic for dandruff. Both my children are having troubles with dandruff at the moment, and they're also having like itchy scalp, dry skin, things like that. So I'm not sure, perhaps you can tell me, but I always thought the dandruff might be caused by the fact that maybe you didn't rinse your hair well enough or something. Let me know in the comments if you think that's the reason, or if there's some other reason that you think causes dandruff. Anyway, on with the recipe. We start with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of alcohol that doesn't have additives, so I'm using vodka. You could use rum or brandy, I believe. And 1 tablespoon of castor oil, and I'll just show you what I've got here. I have castor oil and I add things to it. In this case, this is mandarin. And citrus is quite good for dry skin. So whether or not the oils have infused with the castor oil, I couldn't say for sure, but I like to do this anyway. I have all these little pots of things like peppermint and lemon verbena, vanilla for the smell, orange, lemon, and I add the castor oil to it and let it sit and then infuse, so that when you have it open, it's got that sort of nice scent, but also perhaps some of the properties. So I add a tablespoon of that. You can't see this, but look at that golden liquid. It's beautiful. It's got the nice orangey colour from the orange. And I can smell, actually it's mandarin, but close enough. And I can smell it. Oh, it's refreshing. Just scrape that down, get all of it well out of the teaspoony thing. Look at that, doesn't that just look magical? Really nice. And also I add some rosemary essential oil, because rosemary essential oil is good for things like hair loss. So about 10 drops there. 20 drops is 1 ml. So I've gone with 10 drops. So what you do is you shake before use, because obviously it's separated. So you give it a good shake before use. And you splash on the hair. This is why I've got a little small bottle. You don't want a huge amount to come out. You just want a little bit, put on the hand and rub onto the scalp, just the scalp, all over, wherever the dandruff and itching is happening, and then you leave for 30 minutes, and then you wash and rinse as per usual. You can further rinse with some vinegar if you so desire. But anyway, hair tonic for dandruff. I'm going to use my lovely children as guinea pigs. They've actually requested that I help them make something for their hair, so this is perfect timing. So I'll leave a comment below and let you know how it goes. And of course, if you give it a shot, feel free to tell me how it goes for you as well. Thank you so much for watching.